A set of 6 numbers have a median of 5. All of the numbers are even. The range of the numbers is 6. The mode of the numbers is 4. Write down a possible set of 6 numbers. The first thing that I'm going to do for this is I'm just going to draw little dashes to represent the 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of the numbers are even. Let's highlight that so I remember that in a bit. The range of the numbers is 6. I missed out the top line. A median of 5. Mode is 4. Okay, so median of 5 is important. That's the first thing that I can write down. So median, if I crossed off my pairs on each side, I'm just going to do it underneath the dashes. There's my one pair. There's my other pair. So the median is these two numbers here. So in the middle of those two numbers is 5. In the middle of those two numbers is 5. So I need even numbers, 2 even numbers, where the middle of them is 5. So let's just go 1 up and 1 below. So that's 4 and 6. And check, does that have a median of 5? Yes, because 5 is in the middle of 4 and 6. Okay, next. The range of the numbers is 6. So the biggest take away the smallest must be 6. Now, we've already got a 6 in here, and we've got a 4. Let's just have a look at some of the others. The mode is 4, so the most common number is 4. So let's put a 4 here, because we know that there's going to be more than one 4, because it's the most common number. Now, I could put a 2 here. Now this is all about trial and improvement, so let's have a look at this. If I put a 2 here, that's the smallest number. Now we know that the range is 6, so I know that something, the biggest, take away the smallest, which is 2, must be 6. So if I do it backwards, 6 add 2 is 8. That means the biggest must be 8. Now if that's the case, this number here is between 6 and 8. It's got to be even, so it's got to be either 6 or 8. Now if it was 6 or 8, there would be 2 6s or 2 8s, like 2 4s. So there would be another mode, so we don't want that. So everything that I've just done in red, I don't want that. I'm going to erase. Okay, so let's go back to, there's a mode of 4. Now I've tried 2 to be this bottom number, it didn't work. Why don't I just put another 4 there? So now I've got 3 4s. The range of the numbers is 6, so let's work that out. The biggest, which I don't know, take away the smallest, which is 4, gives me an answer of 6. Do it backwards. 6 add 4 is 10. So let's say the biggest is 10. Am I now able to put something in here that satisfies all the conditions? Yes, I can put an even number, 8. Let's just check now. Does my set of 6 have a median of 5? Everything's still in order. That's the key thing, don't unorder things. Between 4 and 6 is 5, so it has a median of 5. Tick. Are all the numbers even? Yes, 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 yes. The range of the numbers is 6. Is the biggest take away the smallest? 6. 10 take away 4 is 6. Yes. Is the mode 4? There's 3 4s, which is the most common number. Yes. Write down a possible set of 6 numbers. We've done it. So we've got 4, 4, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's about trialling something, seeing if it works. If it doesn't, go back and try something else.